watching Syrian Eats. Today I'm going to show you how to make a meat pie recipe called the Sfeeha. And this is similar to the one that I showed you in the past with the peppers. This one is just pretty simple. It just has the onions and tomatoes. I have here 1 pound of ground beef. I have here about half a cup of pomegranate molasses, 1 teaspoon of allspice, 1 teaspoon of salt. I have here 2 tomatoes diced finely, 1 medium onion finely diced. Now you can use the uncooked tortillas that I showed you in the past, or I have here some dough that's already ready for me. Now this dough, I already bought it ready to cook or ready to use. I bought it actually frozen from Costco. And I'm going to show you how to make our meat mixture first, and then I will show you how to roll out the dough and put the meat and bake them in the oven. So I'm going to go ahead and add my meat in here. And we're going to add our onions first.